Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Tesla Model Y wheel. Before starting, ensure your vehicle is parked on a flat, stable surface with the parking brake engaged. For extra safety, place wheel chocks on the tire diagonally opposite the one you are removing. Remember, a jack is for lifting, but jack stands are crucial for safely supporting the vehicle while you work. Using proper jack pads is also vital to protect your Model Y's sensitive battery pack and frame. To begin, gather your essential tools: a sturdy 3-ton floor jack, 2 reliable jack stands, and Tesla-specific jack pads. You'll also need a 21mm socket, a long breaker bar for leverage, and a torque wrench for proper reinstallation. If your Model Y has wheel covers or lug nut caps, carefully remove them first. Crucially, use your breaker bar to slightly loosen all 5 lug nuts while the wheel is still on the ground. This prevents the wheel from spinning when lifted. Now, let's lift the vehicle safely. Locate the 4 designated jack points on your Model Y's underbody, typically near each wheel. Insert your specialized jack pads into the single hole at each point to protect the battery. Position your floor jack directly beneath the jack pad and slowly raise the vehicle until the tire is completely off the ground. Once lifted, always place jack stands securely under the vehicle's support beams before proceeding, ensuring maximum stability and safety. With the vehicle safely supported, remove the loosened lug nuts and carefully take the wheel off the hub. When reinstalling, align the wheel and hand tighten all 5 lug nuts in a star pattern. Once the lug nuts are snug, slowly lower the vehicle completely off the jack stands and jack. Finally, use your torque wrench to tighten each lug nut to 129 pound-feet, following a star pattern to ensure even pressure. Don't forget to reinstall any wheel covers or lug nut caps.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.